Hello. Okay. Here Natalie Oliva is. Here she is. The applause isn't here today. And today, apparently, we're still doing the burping challenge. So, I got my matsunita so. Okay,
stop talking like that.
So,
Stop. It's having a hard to understand you.
You should have drank before.
Do you even need a drink?
so it's better.
Trust me.
I'm just breathing in.
It's funny how it sounds.
It's like the same.
You already had your chance, though, Kevin.
You could have used that.
Man.
Kevin already used your chance.
Did it.
Well, I thought you already used your chance.
You did too.
I know.
You did it like 4 or 5 times, or more than that.
It's just stuck.
Mm-hmm.
You're not in the picture.
I like it right here. Dang. It's stuck.
Exactly.
Thinking I can just, jump it up. It's already 4, 5.
She's not even what she's trying, but. That hurts.
Well, are we gonna come up here?
No,
Why?
we don't have to.
Your socks and stuff downstairs.
Don't you want to jump?
Are you sniffing the carpet?
No.
No. And why are you recording?
Challenge.
What has mommy said?